it's gonna turn into a full whiteout blizzard. It's about to turn into a blizzard anyways because the storm itself is rapidly intensifying. I don't know if it's considered just one big bomb out between the 48 hours, but if you go within a 24-hour period from yesterday, from say 12, we'll just say 0 UTC yesterday to 0 UTC. No, not even. Say 12, actually 12, probably 12 UTC to 12 now. It's already fit the criteria for going from a to a bomb or bombing out. And, some of the models show it continuing its track and going all the way down to 961, which is a substantial storm. And like I said, there's a lot of strong winds on this back end, very strong vorticity readings. Thing is still intensifying. So I'm not surprised that right now we're looking at these conditions. And on top of it, we have a rock salt shortage. So that makes it so much more of a challenge for snow removal, infrastructure, the whole 9 yards. See this? Hold on. So see this car? See this car on the left? That's not a good car in the winter. Here's this car right here. Oh, see it right there on the right? I guess it's a mirrored image. Yeah, that car is not a good car. Not a good car. Winter car for the winter. And he is just plugging along. Yeah, everything has a nice little glass over it too, like glass coating already from the freezing rain that we had. Freezing mist, I guess. I didn't really hear much freezing rain. It was just misting all night. However, it coated enough to where now the snow itself can, know, continue to build up and get much worse.